social media. I'm on like 4-5 pages right now. Let's get it. All right, check it, y'all. Check it, man. I know I be all over the place. Y'all be sitting here like, yo, he doing websites, he doing cable, he doing everything, right? Yeah, that's what I'm about. Gotta have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 streams of income. Okay. But tonight, we're going to talk about investing. This is all investing. This is an investment. Okay. And we're going to be talking about Forex tonight. US 30. We're trading. This is what we're doing. Guys, I've been doing this for about 5 years now. 6 years. Self-taught. Basically, you can say. Never had a teacher one-on-one. I just been watching one person, two. I had two, but I had 3 teachers in total. I did. As far as showing me, I had one actually that basically was on some old, but it's not one-on-one. It's not one-on-one. I haven't had the chance to do one-on-ones with anybody except my boy. Shout out to my boy Robert Ritchie. But he had me very in the beginning. You know, he got me started to love Forex. I'll say that. He got me started to love Forex. So I never really traded indices, or whatever you want to call it. I traded Bitcoin before, and I lost all the time. So I just mainly stuck to the regular pairs like Euro USD, GBP GBP USD, GBP JPY. You know, regular forex pairs, because that's all I could do. But I had a little strategy in what I was doing. I didn't just do stuff. And this is what I want. I can't stay here too long waiting on the ride right now. So I'm gonna get through this. But I just want to explain to you guys like how far I came. You know what I'm saying? Because like this shit tricky. This shit tricky. But I know you can make money from it. I know you can make money from it because people are making money from it. Okay. I stayed 10 toes down, and every now and then I will sit there and I will try. I would try. Now I had 3 teachers, I told you, where they will have a Zoom and I'll just go to the Zoom. It's not one-on-one, it'll be other people there. So, and I'll just learn. So I had 3 of those. 2 of them was from all 3 of them was from the old company, IML. And this is how I got started. But see, IML was tricky. I told a lot of these dudes, I'm not going to say no names. You guys, if you watching this, you know who you are because you ain't trading today. You ain't trading today. You was an IML, and I told y'all, stop messing with them dudes. Learn how to trade. Get with the dude who know how to trade. Nah, we got to build. We got to, then we learn how to. What happened? IML is out of here. It's gone. The company's no more. Now you stuck alone. Now you got to figure it out. Now you're going to have to spend that money for real and try to learn. Like you had a whole platform to learn. You had over 10, 20 teachers in there that you could pick and see if this is somebody you want to learn from. Because I'm not going to say everybody in there is you can learn from because they full of shit. Yeah? A lot of the traders are full of shit. Okay? Some of them know how to trade and majority don't. They're just acting. And I told y'all niggas, this is why I never rocked with none of y'all niggas. I did this alone. I'm not dumb. I made money online by myself with my team. created my team. My team did that. Matter of fact, they created a team because of me. Because of the love for me, what I was doing, teaching them for free when everybody else was charging them. That's how I blew up. That's how I blew up. And here I am again. I'm telling cats, look, them bots, them companies, trash. At the end of the day, trash. Because if that shit break down, that shit loses, then what happens to you? If you know how to trade, you don't need none of that shit. You winning all day. And the proof is in the pudding right now because I've been smashing my targets. I've been smashing. I caught over 6,000 pips the other day on Bitcoin. My lot size wasn't huge. So I didn't make a huge amount of money. That was dumb for me. But my account wasn't healthy. It wasn't healthy. I just had a couple of dollars in there. I was like, let me just, and I did. I traded. Now, it's growing. I ain't got to add nothing to it no more. Just let it grow. Because what? I understand market structure now. I understand the market. I understand what I got to do. And this is my time right now in my in my life to move forward and do something really great. And I want to roll with somebody who feel the same way before I lap you and then I'm out of reach. Being rich by yourself ain't cool. I'm gonna tell you that. It ain't cool. When you really making that bag like that by yourself, you gotta bring some people with you. So this is my offering. If you watching this video, get with me, come inside my group, and let's trade. This is free. I'm not charging. All you have to do is come and participate. You start missing 2, 3, 4, no, I'm kicking you out. And I'd rather just keep the knowledge to myself. But I feel like I gotta give back some type of way. We all done spent money. A lot of us spent a lot of money. Forex, these companies. I'm giving people on my team right now a chance to get the builder. I'm not even gonna say nothing. If you watching this, you know what I'm saying. If you watching this, boss, you getting a deal of a century. It's not gonna last forever. Yeah, I think I'm playing, but I'm not. Because I know I'm already good. Pockets is good. And the thing that I wanted so much, I got it. I'm ready. And I'm taking it to the next level. I'm just going to get better and better and better. So I'm just at scratching surfaces right now. So I'm not but I'm in the door. I'm in the doorway right now. That's how I'm right now. I'm in the doorway right now. I'm ready to step in. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I'm putting in the work. So if you want to learn, this is your chance. Your chance to get with somebody who knows something. You can get with a team, a squad of niggas that's doing the same thing you do, and we all learn together. We all make money together. You see exactly what I'm doing. You see exactly how to do it, and then we build something nice. Trust me, I got plans. Y'all just gotta be ready to rock with me. I said it to myself. It's 2026. What am I sitting here doing this for? Let's get to the business. I'm sitting here talking. All right, y'all. This is US 30. I never traded this, yo. I promise you, I never traded this before. But we got so many charts going on right now. That's like they all busting. So if you missing the money, then that's on you. That's on you. Where I jumped in this trade at, let me see. Let me see where I jumped in this trade at. Okay, 47, 482. Right around here. Okay? I jumped in right around there, guys. That's where I jumped in at. So right now, I'm up. $1,500 pips. No, sorry. 500 pips. Sorry. I'm up about 500 pips. Okay? 500 pips. Listen, guys. I'm going to show you how I did this. Yeah. So, when you come to the charts, or when I came to the chart, I always start from the high time frames. I'm not a scalper. Start from the high time frames. So you already know we're in an uptrend, right? He's in an uptrend. Check it. See what happened? See what happened? I broke. If I was to go way down here and fix this, it broke. Okay? That's my low. That's my low. Okay? Boom. Boom. So, I had this large candle right here. Okay? And then what happened was I had this large candle coming back down, which came straight down, right? And broke below this one. This is what I needed, right? Once I saw that break, okay, I knew there was going to be a pullback right here on this green candle. This is where I jumped in at right here. And that's my cue. Hello? Hello? Yo? You ready? All right, I'm coming. All right, y'all, man. I got to finish this another time. I got to go do what I got to do, but I'm up. That's all I can tell you is I'm up 500 pips. We can do this another time. See y'all niggas later, man. Peace.